Have you ever been in a situation where you're searching for a job online and as you're scrolling, you bump into a transcription job and you think to yourself, oh well, I think this is so easy and I think I'll start immediately. Then you just find out that it's not really that easy. Well, if that's you, then this video is for you. Make sure you watch it till the end. Transcription jobs are seemingly the easiest and most available jobs online with a very attractive earning. Now, what most people don't tell you is it's not as easy as it seems. I'm doing this video because I found myself in a situation where I was helping a lot of people with audio files, but the problem didn't end there because they still kept contacting me to verify if their work was accurate after they started receiving jobs. When they were accepted, that's when I realized that it's not really me helping with audios that they really want or that will help them, but rather helping them understand what they are getting themselves involved with, and if possible, showing them where to get the help from. Transcription jobs can be very frustrating, especially if it's when you're just starting. You move from video to video looking for videos with available answers, etc. Not a bad thing. It only becomes bad when you're hit with an audio file to do and then you have no idea what you're doing or how to do it. I'm not trying to burst your bubbles, but rather lead you in a path that you will thank me later for. What I will share with you is what helped me, and I wish I knew this earlier. Trust me, when I started, it wasn't easy at all. Now, there's one major disadvantage of copying online videos and also one big advantage of knowing what you are doing. Make sure you listen very carefully until the end of this video, because if you understand these points clearly, then you will enjoy your job. So let's begin by looking at the disadvantage. As they say that we save the best for last. Well, the major disadvantage is that, yes, you can pay someone to write for you or do the audio for you, but once you are accepted, that's when the real challenges begin. That's when you will start facing the real challenges. You will face challenges finishing your work, and you will also make a lot of mistakes because you don't and you didn't understand this from the beginning. And if care is not taken, you might even lose your job. So it's not that easy. But not to worry. As they say, where there's a will, there's a way. I will help you get better. Just keep watching. Now, here is the advantage of you knowing what you're doing and doing the test or the audios on your own. Once you understand what you're doing, you won't even need a transcription company to work for, because you will be able to do your own work with no guidance. You can create a lot of gigs and earn at your own terms. Plus, you can even advance to higher transcription jobs and earn more, like a medical transcriptionist who earns as high as $50 per audio hour. Wow. Now, here is the ugly truth. If you are looking at the transcription job as a get-rich scheme, then you will keep thinking it's a scam. Instead of searching for videos with available audios with answers, let's start learning how to become a transcriptionist. Go to sites like Course Hero and other online sites and get some sort of a basic package about transcription jobs. Go to sites like RataType and practice to increase your typing speed and get certified immediately for free. There are a lot of online webinars you can join to learn anything on the internet. Once you feel comfortable enough, go to transcription sites like Scribby.com and start practicing. Make sure when practicing you use both clean verbatim and full verbatim transcription style. Give yourself at least 1 whole month just equipping yourself for this, and come back and tell me if you will fail. Good news is there is no teacher who wants their students to perform badly. So whoever you're going to enroll with will definitely help you to the max and make you understand everything and rapidly. Plus, these courses are not even expensive. You can find one at the price of, maybe for argument's sake, $70 or less. I mean, that's a reasonable fee or amount for a lifetime knowledge and earnings. But if you're really good at understanding and getting everything easily, just search for videos that teach about transcription. That's all, and you will become a transcriptionist just like that. No matter how many times you're going to scroll and find audios, the audios will always change. And it's difficult for people nowadays to just keep on uploading because of so many things and situations that people are going through. So you can't continue depending on audios and when they will upload, because probably maybe they will even change the audio or something. So do these tricks. Please go and find yourself an online course. Now here is a super trick for those people that don't want to take any courses, but they just believe in themselves that they can still do it even without any course. What you can do is, if you have applied for maybe Go Transcript, you can try to transcribe the first 30 minutes of the audio and then try to paste and search for it on Course Hero. Or you can try to search it on Google, because the truth is, those audios that they give us, they are actually have been transcribed before by someone. So it's likely that when you paste them or search for them, you might just find an audio that somebody did and it will help you. But like I'm still emphasizing, in as much as that can help you, just make sure that you understand the basics, because you will still face challenges when you are finally in the work hub. So that being said, please leave a comment down below in case you have any questions or any queries about this particular topic, and I will be very glad to attend to you. What I'm just not doing right now is promoting audios, because I have found that even if I try and help as many people as possible, I still find myself overwhelmed with a lot of questions that I get from people, a lot of problems and challenges that they are facing. So it's better I teach you how to fish than give you the fish. So please bear with me. I will try my best, and I'll try my level best to make sure that I give you all the information and the necessary information that you need to get started with your transcription journey. It's really not that difficult, and neither is it simple, but you have to just believe in yourself that this is going to work. If you have really enjoyed my content and if this has been meaningful to you, make sure that you hit the subscribe button and also like this video. Leave a comment down below for me to attend to you, and also hit the notification bell so that the next time I upload similar content, you will be the first one to know. I enjoy interacting with you, and I hope to see you in my next video where we explain and expand more.